Okay, good evening, guys. Okay, today we need to discuss about the KA3 milestone about project schedule management. And then in this phase, we need to prepare two things, Gantt chart and also the network diagram. And then now I think we can do we can build a tables first about the milestone in the Gantt chart and the task in the Gantt chart with the duration. So after that, then we can build Gantt chart. Then we can build Gantt chart more easier. Okay.
Okay.
So now we need to insert the task into the Gantt chart. Follow our WBS before.
Izu boleh buka KA2
KA2. Wait.
Saya sudah buka. Hafizul type lah.
Right.
The first task is requirement gathering.
Wait. Okay.
Followed by requirement elicitation. Documentation. Interview. Questionnaire. I think we later need to by key our WBS, but for now we just follow first. One more is prototype.
Surveyor.
Okay, next one is analysis. Requirement analysis.
Analysis. Then
requirement analysis bawah kan analysis dulu.
Oh, okay.
Then product requirement. Business requirement and user requirement. Next one is risk analysis. Budget estimation. And the last one is business analysis. Okay, the next phase, design and implementation.
Next phase.
Design and implementation.
Wait.
Installation. Hardware and software. Dual column. Aha! Like this. So I type. Ada lagi. Okay.
Okay.
Then kena tentukan duration dia.
Manager or manager?
Excuse me. Just now my line is not good.
Duration. How about the duration?
The duration.
Boleh scroll up sikit.
Sorry.
The duration. The first duration. I think we need to refer to our K1 first about how much we spend for each phase. How long we spend in each phase in K1. That time we go mention, right?
Yes.
K1.
So requirement gathering, we got 1 month. Analysis 2 months.
Is it the requirement gathering and requirement recitation same one?
Wait,
I think same.
I think we can take more time for the interview. Maybe 2 weeks.
2 week. Okay. Interview.
Sorry, we have 4 requirement elicitation.
Yeah.
We have
But
4. So
1 month
One-
time only.
1 month got 4 weeks.
Yeah lah. Each 1
So each 1 week.
yeah.
You
Yeah.
are right.
1.
Wait. Actually, the tennis can be done simultaneously, right? Like doing in the same time, like on the web interview, and then we also do the questionnaire also.
Can also.
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually we no need to like when after we complete one of the requirement gathering techniques, and then we start the next one, and then we can do it on the same time. So means that maybe we can take much longer for each elicitation techniques.
How about we put interview and prototype both also 2 weeks so they can make it simultaneously? Because after we interview, we get what the user want for the device, so we can straight away do the prototype.
Yeah. Okay.
Then for documentation also the same, because after we analyze their document, then we can come up with question.
So means documentation, interview, and prototype. Both these three 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's my suggestion.
Session. Prototype. So how, manager?
Yeah, so just follow it, the questionnaire and then interview, and the interview, prototype, and documentation, we can put it as 14 days. 14 days. Sorry.
Oh. Siapa tulis?
Jing.
Okay, I will write. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Days.
Questionnaire also 14 days.
Is it like that because also 2 weeks? Correct?
All right.
No, I think. Is it correct? I'm not sure.
So many days, I think.
Which one?
Questionnaire.
So questionnaire, you want to put how many days?
Maybe 10.
Alright. So for the documentation, 14 days, correct?
I think it's okay. Or we can put it much longer.
I think documentation can, because it's a whole month one, right? You need to document all those information.
Documentation is like we go and get their document and we analyze their document, like how their procedure, their procedures of tracking the vehicle.
Okay.
Maybe prototype can longer because we need to do some, the design and.
One month can for prototype.
What if I put 20 days?
20.
So the
20 days.
last 10 days can to show the stakeholder.
Okay, guys, then we continue with the analysis. For the analysis, we plan to spend 2 months in this phase. So in this phase, we got requirement analysis and then a series of requirement.
Okay.
Okay.
Requirement analysis.
And then for this one, I think it's difficult to do it in simultaneously. Because this part is focused on the requirement.
Then we do it step by step.
Maybe, I guess so.
24, 24, 24.
But now, do we need to, split it into a small part, like the requirement and for the refer to our WBS. The requirement analysis, you can separate become product requirement, business requirement, user requirement. Then product requirement can split into hardware, software, functional requirement, and no functional requirement. Do we need to write it in detail or just simply use user requirement? Simply use product requirement.
For me, I think just use product requirement, maybe.
Okay, then okay yeah. Then kita tulis product requirement first. Then later the people who do this, if can, you just split it into the functional, no functional, and others. Okay?
Okay.
In Gantt chart.
Okay.
So kita tulis product requirement first. Okay. Then now, come on. Split the 2 months into the milestone. I think the requirement cannot be done simultaneously, but for the estimation can be done simultaneously with the requirement, right?
Correct. We get the requirement, we can estimate the budget.
Yep.
So how long we want to put for the product requirement?
Product requirement.
The requirement analysis.
Sorry.
If refer to our KA2, product requirement is of requirement analysis.
Requirement analysis.
Hello? Can you
Yo.
hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So it follow our KA2 product requirement is under requirement analysis. So if requirement analysis, we write it as 2 months, then we can split the 2 months into product requirement and then business requirement, user requirement.
Okay.
Here, days.
I think we can spend more time on user requirement. Maybe
yeah,
1 month. Then we spread product and business in 1 month.
But I think we need to focus more on product requirement because our functional, no functional requirement, and also software, hardware, all inside the product requirement.
Okay.
So we put 30 days on product requirement, or is it too long?
Can. But guys, do you think the requirement can do it simultaneously?
For me, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
But we are analyze the requirement for all it. We are analyze all the requirement, right? Then we just split it into the different requirement. Then if can, then we just split it.
Meaning,
Product requirement 30 days, and then user requirement and business requirement
15.
but I think user requirement can be longer than business requirement, right? How about we put 20 in user
20.
requirement?
10.
20 and 10. Yeah. And then the person who worked on the Gantt chart after this can help me to split the product requirement into functional, non-functional, software and hardware.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
For this part, it's not simultaneously, right?
Yeah, for the functional, non-functional.
I mean for product requirement, business requirement, and also the user requirement.
No.
Here is
No,
total
not
60
necessarily.
days. Or risk analysis.
Wait. For the risk analysis, budget estimation, and business analysis.
That one is another
Do you?
part or what?
Estimation.
Cut our requirement.
Actually, the whole analysis is already included from the requirement analysis until the business analysis. So everything we have to done it in 2 months.
Yeah, but already until
Yeah.
user requirement already.
Yeah,
2
so
months,
we
right?
have
So
to
we to
combine
reduce.
everything. Yes.
So means that we need to cut the time for requirement analysis, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how about we just cut all the duration in requirement analysis into half? Like 13 days become 15 days become 30 days. then 10 days become 5, and 20 become 10.
I think okay.
So duration for risk analysis will be 30 days.
Yeah.
13 days, 30 days.
30.
30 days.
How about the budget estimation and business analysis? Three of that also under analysis.
So each 10 days.
Okay.
Project estimation, business analysis. Okay.
Is it correct, guys?
5,
Yes.
Yeah.
10, okay. 10,
So now we can proceed to our design and implementation. So we will use 3 months in this phase. The first one is installation. Any suggestion?
We do one month, okay.
One month. One
Since
month each.
since we have 3 months,
Alright. Alright.
Version.
Okay, and this one, you all please focus on the just for the like installation, hardware and software. Actually, they got small element inside each of this one. Like about the software, we got wireframes, prototype, and also database. Then the one who work on the Gantt chart, please separate it. No, for the software.
Alright.
Yeah, the one who work on Gantt chart, please split it into the small.
Reframe, prototype, database. Okay. And then system testing.
System testing we will start from May until August.
3 months.
3 months.
3 months.
I think we can take less days on the demo version.
One month.
1 month.
1, 2. Okay.
1 month, 30 days.
30 days, 60 days. Product launching.
August to November.
3 months also.
Product launching.
Three months.
Can we put
Yeah.
2 months on launch the product?
or
Or is it this one can do it at the same time.
At the same time.
Yeah, can also.
Both 3 months lah.
Yeah. Simultaneously.
Okay.
Vision the product.
So both also 3 months.
I think customer feedback must be lower than launch the product. I think customer feedback can be 2 months or 1 month because we need to wait.
But I think
The customer feedback
can
is
be longer.
including the time.
Plenty.
No, the customer feedback we need. It's like when we launch it, then the customer feedback is already analyzed by us, or we just collect first, and then until the second month, we just start our customer feedback analysis.
I think collect first lah.
Saving
Sometimes
step of 3 months.
total the customer feedback can be same, right?
Yeah. So, okay, then we done our Gantt chart, and then for the network diagram, we need to follow our Gantt chart to do this. So now I think it's time for me to split the task.
Yeah. Put the
But
And
I
task.
then
think
we bought-
finish discussing the network diagram first.
For the network diagram, I think we need to follow the
Gantt chart.
Gantt chart, right?
Yeah, but we need to
Yes.
determine which one need to complete before the next step to start.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Sorry, I forgot this one.
Documentation, interview, questionnaire, and prototype. Which one will come first?
Interview and questionnaire. I think.
Okay.
Manager, are you talking?
So the interview will be the first one. Okay.
Yeah. Interview. Questionnaire.
Okay. The first one is
You should put beside interview.
Yeah. Beside interview.
No. I mean, interview, then you bracket, you put A, and then because if you start with interview, so interview will not have predecessor.
That's right. So the questionnaire will be B.
Yes.
Wait, the B also.
A.
So the
Yeah.
so which mean interview and questionnaire start together, right?
You
Yes, I guess.
I thought just now we said the questionnaire and the documentation will start together. Then the interview will start together with the prototype.
But is it prototype should be start after interview, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I start after interview.
what is B? Documentation.
This one is so confusing. So the questionnaire is after interview. Documentation is start with interview.
Yes, so so documentation does not have a predecessor.
And for the prototype,
Then after interview.
So right. A.
so it's A.
Yeah, also, yeah.
Okay, okay.
And then this one I can mention. Yeah.
Business user risk budget business.
The product requirement must be done after all the requirement gathering techniques done. Which means that
Is after, so this one should be
product requirement must
Sorry.
Yes.
Hello.
manager.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
Yeah, I mean for the product requirement must be depends on our requirement gathering. After all requirement gathering done, then we can start our product requirement. So I already write that for the product requirement, the predecessor is BCD.
BCD. Okay. BCD. And then business requirement. Business requirement is analysis budget.
So the
Okay,
business requirement is after the product requirement.
yeah.
So I put E, yeah.
Yeah, and then I think for the others part in analysis, or step by step. It's no more simultaneously.
Just follow the step.
Yeah.
G H I
Yeah.
G.
Installation is J.
J.
Yeah. Oh. This another thing I need to add on. Like, for the functional, no functional, we also need to set a name for them. Like, can you all move on to the analysis? Like, for the KA3 analysis part for network diagram. KA3 analysis part of network diagram. Like, actually the functional requirements should be F here. All of these functional requirement, no functional requirement, software, hardware, we also need to put a name for them, like this. But now we just not put it first, and then after that, the people who work on the network diagram, please edit.
Okay.
Okay.
Noted.
Yeah. That's all. That's all I want to say. Okay, then continue. So
Then
good.
design and implementation.
Yeah. And then the hardware must be done after software, or can do it on the same time.
Software
I think software first.
Software first.
I mean
Oh,
hardware.
Hardware first.
Hardware first, right?
Yeah.
Hardware first.
Meaning hardware is after J.
Installation hardware software. Installation hardware software.
Or guys, do you think hardware and software can be done on the same time? Like, can be work on same time?
I think can.
Diagram with the database.
So hardware. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Today. Yeah.
So hardware and software is okay, yeah.
Yeah, this. Do we need to put like same like this analysis, like functional and functional for the wireframe for the type database?
Yes.
I think need.
We need. Okay. Then source system testing.
So testing
Okay,
demo version after the design. So should be M. Sorry.
M or LM?
LM.
LM.
Yeah.
LM. Then N.
Yeah.
Yes.
Launching. Launching.
launching
Yeah.
the product is oh
Oh,
Oh.
and then guys, for the duration of hardware and software, I added become 45 days because this two can be done on the same time.
Oh,
Okay.
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 Hmm.
Okay, now we need to. Now, anything want to discuss or no? Then I can split the job.
oh,
I think we can split the job.
Yeah.
Okay, now I need two person work on the Gantt chart and then 3 person work on the network diagram.
I want network diagram, please.
I volunteer network diagrams also.
Okay.
So by default, 3 of us is under Gantt chart.
Eh?
3 person for network diagram.
Oh, I see. Then I will go for network diagram also.
Okay.
So
Okay,
me
so
and
that
Wong do for the Gantt chart.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Manager,
Yes.
I want to ask something.
Uh-huh.
For the network diagram, you say that functional, non-functional software, hardware.
Yeah.
We must put the
The short form name, right?
yes.
Uh-huh.
Right.
So what do you mean by that? Oh.
And
Like that ke? E1, E2, E3.
for example.
Hmm.
Yeah. Later I'll send the. Maybe I can find if there's a template. Then I will send the template of it to you all.
Okay.
So.
So is that all? Gantt chart and network diagram.
Okay. I think we are done.
But due
Anything
date
we can do.
10 December due date.
So
The
due date
predecessor.
10th of December.
10 December.
Ah.
Then okay.
Okay.
Do you have anything to say, manager?
That's all our meeting. And then to settle the Gantt chart first, then you all can continue with the network diagram. Or Gantt chart and network diagram can be done at the same time.
I think we done at the same time.
Okay, so.
Since
Yeah,
we already.
I think can done on the same time, but if anything of us like if you already start your network diagram first, and then please send all your elements in the network diagram to us, then we can match the elements in Gantt chart
Gantt
and
chart.
also the network diagram. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's all I wanna say. So thank you guys. And no
Thank
questions,
you.
huh?
No.
No question.
Okay.
Everything clear.
Okay.
Thank you, manager.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.